Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am. Today I shall be discussing the short story Atithi by Ravindranath Tagore. This short story is in your ISC short story book. The story Atithi or Guest by the very famous author Ravindranath Tagore has collected a lot of critical appreciation for its extremely fine or nuanced exploration of human relationships, portraying the themes of hospitality, attachment, and the skillful characterization. We all know how good Ravindranath was, in his story writing skills, not only story writing, poems, etc., so on. One aspect that the critics often highlight in the story is that each and every character in the story has a different, you can say, or a distinct personality, and their motivations also differ. Now, Tarapada, the Brahmin boy, he's very enigmatic, and he stands as a symbol of freedom, innocence, and detachment. Taraprada's presence challenges the conventional norms and routines of other characters, leading to introspection and self-discovery. Then comes Motilal Babu, the Zamindar. The Zamindar, Motilal Babu, is torn between his attraction to Taraprada's uniqueness and his duty towards his family. Annapurna is Motilal Babu's wife. She displays tender affection towards the boy, while Charu Shashi embodies jealousy and the complexities of growing up. The interaction between these characters is dynamic. And this dynamic interaction between all these characters create a variety of emotions as well as interpersonal connections between the various characters. Now, what is very important is the theme of the story. The theme of hospitality. The theme of hospitality is very, very strong in this story, and Tagore explores the concept of a guest and a host, the relationship between a guest and a host, and along with it all the complexities. When Tarapada arrives, the story examines the transformative, impact on the lives of the people who employ him. It raises questions about relationships and how transient relationships are, and how quickly they change, and the tension between individual freedom versus the expectations of the society. The whole story, Atithi, has a lot of descriptions and the picturesque landscape, the setting, the riverside market, the villages, the river banks. All this create a vivid, very, very vivid, descriptive backdrop which immerses the readers into the setup of a rural Bengal setting. Tagore also uses a lot of sensory details and of course a language that is evocative, which rather enhances the narrative of the storytelling. Tagore's ability to capture human emotions and the transient nature of these emotions and the conflicts between characters touches the readers. And to sum up the whole story, we can say the story deals with longing, identity, and the pursuit of individual dreams. Especially the character of Tarapada, symbolizing the longing of freedom, exploration, and which resonates with the readers. Therefore, Tagore's skillful storytelling and of course the setting of the story, all this, Tarapada's pure spirit, serves as a source of fascination and admiration for the story. Thank you. Keep watching my videos for a complete emphasis on your syllabus and analysis into your short stories, into your poems, and of course Shakespeare. Thank you.